American dream is the belief that the freedoms of this country bring us together and give us all individually the opportunity to achieve our biggest goals and aspirations. Hi, my name is Craig Sewing, the creator and founder of The American Dream, a national TV show centered around real estate, lifestyle, and culture. It's been nominated for an Emmy. We bring you a show of real stories in real neighborhoods with real experts. Today, I'm excited to announce our elite expert and new host in your market. She is a master of her craft and has built her life around turning that dream that so many of us share into a reality. Follow along as she takes you on a tour of the real estate, the lifestyle, the culture of an area that she knows best and why her city is the perfect place for you to build your American dream.
Hi, and welcome to The American Dream. I'm your host, Amber Autry with Love My Hometown Realty, and today I'm going to show you a glimpse of downtown Greenville, South Carolina. We begin our journey in Falls Park by the Reedy River. Falls Park is a beautiful urban oasis in the heart of downtown Greenville. Here you can come and relax or enjoy outdoor activities. What's so wonderful about Falls Park is that it is in the heart of downtown Greenville. Many enjoy the scenic walking paths, or you can cross the iconic Liberty Bridge and take in the stunning views of the cascading waterfalls. When you're living in Greenville or just visiting, you can indulge in almost any type of culinary delight. I am so excited for you guys to be joining me. Today, we're gonna go to one of my favorite fine dining establishments, which is just around the corner. But before we get there, I'm gonna be meeting a friend. See you there. Today, I'm here with Ariel Sally. She and her husband own Maestro Bistro, which is downtown Greenville, South Carolina. There's something that separates you guys compared to all the other fine dining experiences in Greenville. Tell me a little bit about that. What makes you guys really stand out?
The time when we were raised, the dining experiences are supposed to be slow. We're genuinely trying to provide an enjoyable experience for you and your family to come here, relax, enjoy your food, have a fantastic bottle of wine, and enjoy your time together.
Thank you so much for taking time out of your day to speak with us and telling us a little bit about your restaurant. Now, we're actually going to be going to a fundraiser event right next door in their space. Today, we're here with Jennifer McGaha of Alabaster House Recovery. Alabaster House is a local charity here in the upstate area. Jennifer, tell me a little bit about Alabaster House and what led you to open it up.
Alabaster House is a 7-month recovery program for women coming off substances, and I had a heart for that because I once was a substance abuser. Our program is a 7-month program, so the first 6 weeks the women come in, they do intense counseling and 7 classes a day. After the first 6 weeks, they go to work. We take them back and forth to work, and then after 7 months they graduate. Then we offer them transition for 6 months to a year. The women expect to gain from being in this program a way to start over again, a way back to society, and a way to end generational curses.
And now we are off to the fundraiser. We're meeting some of our team members who have volunteered to help today to just make a small impact to help this recovery center. Our team has come together to get a pie in the face for a good cause. This is my husband and co-owner, Samuel Autry. Then we also have Stephanie Eichman, and her daughters are helping today, Trinity and Serenity. And then we have Chance Rice and Jennifer Billings. All right, team, let's go raise some money. I hope you've enjoyed our adventure in Greenville and our little piece of the American dream. Thank you for joining us, and see you next time.